Grain Feed and Milling Magazine Weekly News Review powered by Grain Tech Bangladesh 2025. Economic benefits and environmental considerations of wheat starch factories.
High-quality rapeseed oil degumming equipment from Huaytai Oil Machinery.
3 reasons why you need commercial waffle machine.
Perspective on the health effects of unsaturated fatty acids and commonly consumed plant oils high in unsaturated fat.
Farming in Pollinate House gains success in Sinavabgunj.
Food and nutrition crisis deepens across Sudan as famine is identified in additional areas.
Council, partners engage with USDA in Morocco. A regular advertiser. Grain Tech Bangladesh 2025 exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
Horti Agri Next Asia 2025 media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
Thanks for watching.